down here in Front Royal, Virginia at a bowling alley. I want to show you what's going on. Down here below me, that's our paint pump, and then this is our roof level. We have this half the roof sprayed already. We're working on this other half here. We left this little pathway behind me to allow us a way to actually get off the roof after we have this sprayed. So behind me here is a metal roof coating job in process. We're doing the final step here, which is where we spray apply almost something like a liquid rubber that goes over top of this metal roof. But before we do that, there's a whole lot more prep work and repair work that we have to do. In metal roof systems like the one that I'm on right here, most of your issues, 95% of your issues, are going to be from one of three things: fasteners, seams, or protrusions or penetrations. So before we even get to spraying like Dan and Ethan are doing back there, we spend time. The first step is pressure wash. The second step is where we're going to prime any rust that's up here. And then the third step is we're going to waterproof all of these fasteners with a little dollop and a Hershey Kiss of material. And then what we're going to do is seal up these. Every 3 feet, these metal panels come with a seam because they're 3 foot wide. So every 3 feet, there's what we call a vertical seam that we have to waterproof, and we totally encase this seam in a heavy mastic even before we get to spraying. So this roof actually at this point, I know it looks a little mangy and ugly right now, but it's actually 100% totally waterproof at this point. This last step, what it does is it locks down all that repair work, and it puts this bright white 99% reflective material on these metal panels. It's late July here right now, so these panels are probably to the touch 130 to 150 degrees. After we've sprayed this system white, this color then allows this to be ambient temperature. So it's about 90 degrees right now. So this coating here is about 90 degrees. Much cooler. Also, this is not paint. Roof coating is not paint. This is a real thick, almost like a stretchy liquid membrane that's going down over top of this metal roof. And it has to be stretchy because over the course of 12 months, these metal roofs are gonna see negative degrees, they'll see over 100 degrees temperatures. So that white allows you to knock down some expansion and contraction. You also will feel a little bit of a difference inside. The heat won't be quite as oppressive. So yeah, that's a metal roof coating job. Give us a call to see if a metal roof coating is right for you.